Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to Nature's Masterpiece YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make pear smoothie together. Ingredients we need are 3 peeled pears. Frozen pears are the best choice for smoothie. My pears are frozen. And also frozen banana. We need a banana, a teaspoon of ginger powder, a glass of milk, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a tablespoon of hazelnut chocolate, and pistachio powder and walnut powder. I'm gonna slice peeled pears and also banana. Now I'm gonna add all ingredients to a blender. This is our smoothie. It tastes fantastic. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Peace. Goodbye.